This is the cylinder release right here.
Now. It's recording
This is the cylinder release right here, and it's stuck. You should be able to put about 7 pounds of pressure to release that. That was about 16 pounds.
Too much pressure.
You probably don't even have that much, so no wonder you can't get it open.
Shut up. Shut up.
The average person doesn't even have that. So I've already, before the show started, I already put some oil on there. And I'm going to remove the excess oil. And
with what? The alcohol?
No, I do it with a cotton pad. Don't use a tampon or a paper towel because that'll leave fibers in there. And then when you put the oil in it, that turns it into the gunk. Now this is rubbing alcohol. And I'm rolling that in there. Now I'll work that button again.
Oh, now it's nice. It's a nice release.
Okay, it's like it was 16 pounds before.
Nice.
That's 15, 14, 13, 12. How far do we get it down for you? About
I need that shit to release with my left thumb.
4 pounds then. 11, 10. Make sure it snaps in there too, because it's got it.
That shit look like it's going real loose now. Jesus Christ.
Work it in there. And get that excess of this stuff off of there.
Nah, hit it with the Q-tip again.
I'm not doing a thorough cleaning out right now. I'm focusing on the cylinder release. You guys can clean it.
Let me see show the cylinder release again. No. Show it in here in the camera. No, show what you're showing is the cylinder release. Like show the people on the camera.
This button is the cylinder release.
And then show inside what you're actually cleaning.
So what that does is pushes that pin into the cylinder.
This thing right here.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Yep. So now watch this when I get it to the angle here. You should be able to see it. Take it up now. It's down. Now it's up. And it's not much. It's about
just a pinch, right?
Yeah, it's not even a pinch, man. It's only like 30 seconds.
Well, that's the thing that's going to make your gun work very well for you. Because then now you can let it go and boom, 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 boom. Now you turn into John Wayne and shit. All right? Because your cylinder release, you can reload.
Yeah, and that's the best way to survive when enemies are attacking you, is being able to reload. You know, that way, if you can reload, you don't feel so bad about walking around with 5 rounds in it. But if you know the shit's gonna come down, if you can't reload the fucker, you're gonna put all of them in there because you might not be able to overpower
my thumb. 16 pounds on my thumb. Well, guess what? This might be a bad day for me. Now, if I got 4 pounds on my thumb, then guess what? Probably okay. You know? Yeah, he's cleaning this shit. Tell him your name. Tell him, well, you don't have to tell him.
Wild Bill Hickok III.
Wild Bill Hickok III.
I don't look like it, but I'm 3/32 African. That's the only reason I'm here.
Look. He got his African Irish beard, and if you can't tell, he's a white African, albino, from North Dakota.
But I got my brown contacts inside.
Hold on, we can't show your face.
I know. I was just saying.
Hold on. Do I cover your eyes and show your face? Put your mask on. Coronavirus.
Yeah, how about this?
Oh shit!
Don't have my mask anymore.
He can't find his mask under his beard.
I got a backup though. See?
Can I show your face now?
They might fucking track me down for my haircut.
Oh
I
shit!
my own hair.
Put over your eyes the other way. Nah, that. See this is the motherfucker teaching me about my gun. Look at his beard. Oh shit!
What beard?
What beard? That fucking beard. I see the gray hairs and shit. He got a swing though. I got a nishiki though. My shit better than his.
Anytime he wants to race, we'll throw down. I'm thinking that's going to be about 45 minutes the way he's going.
Oh shit! Is that the Geneva watch? All right. Anything else you want to go through on here before I stop the video? It's like 5 minutes, 6 minutes now. Is there anything before I stop the video?
I'm not done hitting this with oil. Every place where this moves, you see, this moves right in here. See, it slides around here. I'm going to oil that, but you don't want to leave too much oil on there. Is the thing, you know. You want it oil, but you don't want to leave too much oil on there. Get it in there.
Just slightly, and then...
Well, you can overdo it, but then wipe it off.
Okay.
You know, work it in there.
Now, would you just do that, or would you do that and the...
Alcohol again, yeah.
No. I'm talking about here, too. And this thing. Would you do all of that, or would you...
That's running smoothly.
Just...
It ain't going to hurt to do that, but that's just throw out bearing.
Okay.
200 fork.
So now, what would you oil the first? So that's what you're oiling. That's all you oil right there, and then wipe it off.
Yep.
And then what the fuck do I call this? I forgot what to call this. This thing. I forgot what. Shut up! I forgot what the fuck. The pedal, the step. Shut up! I forgot what the fuck to call it. Shut up. The hammer.
That's the hammer.
You're right. I thought you were pointing at the pedal.
Well, I wasn't trying to be specific. I wasn't going to make it too easy for you.
Shut up. All right, so, but you wouldn't oil the hammer, would you?
Sure, why not?
Just slightly, and wipe it off, though. Oil it and wipe it off, right?
Yep. Same as everything. Oil it, wipe it off. Clean. This helps that oil get in there to an extent. It kind of thins it out, gets it in there.
Would you oil the chambers?
Sure. I oil everything. That way it don't rust.
Just like a motherfucking frying pan, huh? Oil it and wipe it down.
But don't use chicken
grease. Don't use chicken grease and don't use paper towels.
You're not in the kitchen anymore.
All right. Hey, so thank you for showing us how to clean the damn gun. I'm about to stop it. It's about 8 minutes. So I'm about to...
It really wasn't my choice. It was either that or he's got a loaded 9 right over here. So I really didn't have a choice in the matter. But thanks anyway.
The 9 ain't even loaded. Look at that motherfucker.
You liar, you told me it was loaded.
Does that look loaded to you? All right, so now
Yeah,
you want to
it does look loaded.
do you want to give another lesson on how to clean the 9?
See that?
Oh shit, that shit works. Look at how that shit works now. Damn, that shit way easier. Hold on, let me see.
I'm going to try it with my left finger once.
Yeah, it's because you want to be left-handed like me.
See, how do you grab it? Let's see, I mean, if you're really loading it, why don't you just flip it over to this hand and go like that?
That's what I usually do.
And that way you get your left
That's
hand.
what I usually do.
That way you get your left hand to manipulate the bullet.
That's what I usually do.
So then why do you got to do it with your left hand? In case you get your right hand shot off? You know, I think it's a fucking footage of you.
No, this is how I usually do it. Oh,
Yeah.
Whoa.
No, that's the way you do it now. You couldn't do that before.
Whoa. My thumb was not this strong before. Ah, shit. Let me reload. Oh, shit. He just taught me this shit. You can put me on, you can put my face on there.
On Facebook? It's Facebook?
No, you can put my face on there because I'm finna put it on my channel. So, yeah, this crew, I got my buddy, dog. He just showed me how. Damn, this motherfucker just loosened up my. Woo!